How to message a seller on eBay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Busnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can message a seller on eBay. Now the process is quite simple and easy. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into the eBay website. Here you can see you can simply open up your browser on your device and you want to search in for ebay.com. You'll be landed on official eBay website. What you want to do is you want to make sure you are logged into your account as usual. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to open up a product that you want to message the seller of. I'll just open this up product here. You can tap on it and you can open it up, or you can search it from the search bar. Once you open it up, you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option contact seller. If you scroll down further below under shop with confidence, you can see call the seller. If you like to speak directly to the seller, we have verified the number and you can see the number there, so you can verify them directly. So this is the way you can contact seller on eBay. Unfortunately, you won't be able to message them. You'll have to contact them directly through a phone call, or you can text them on WhatsApp once you have the number. So this way you can message a seller on eBay or contact a seller on eBay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.